David from David's Farm. And today from now on, we're gonna be now in the Greenwood Farmers Market. And I invite you everybody to look for us right here. We have a really good variety of produce. As you can see, variety of tomatoes, heirlooms, cherry mix, Roma. We have nice sugar snaps, Persian cucumbers, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, green beans, zucchinis, broccoli, some mixed herbs such as basil, parsley, cilantro, mint, and a really good has avocados over here. We are so happy to be here and we hope everybody comes and support us. Thank you so much. We appreciate your support.